How to install. First, twist and tighten the two metal rods onto the machine. Align the support plate with the holes and secure it onto the metal rods, ensuring the slot direction faces outward. Connect the EMS handle by aligning it with the part, inserting it, and twisting to tighten. Connect the roller handle. Insert the black connector into the handle part, align it, and twist to tighten. Then insert the other end into the instrument and twist to tighten. To distinguish handles during interface adjustments, it is recommended to connect the transparent ball handle to port A, the blue ball handle to port B, and the small blue ball handle to port C. Interface overview. The three handles can be adjusted individually, used separately, or used simultaneously. This button controls the direction of the roller, which can also be adjusted directly on the handle. However, if the pressure is too excessive, the pressure display will show 3 red lines. During operation, the pressure value should not exceed the first red line. EMS interface. Turn off the machine first. Prepare a basin of water with detergent and a basin of clean water. Press the latch on the handle. Remove the lid. Then remove the roller. First, wipe off any grease residue from the handle and lid using a damp cloth dampened with a mild detergent. Then wipe with a clean damp cloth. Finally, wipe with a dry towel. Cleaning the lid is no different. First, clean the roller with a mild detergent. Rinse thoroughly with clean water. Finally, wipe with a dry towel or leave to air dry. Other handles are cleaned in the same manner. EMS handle. Wipe off any remaining gel with a damp towel. Then wipe with a clean damp towel. Finally, wipe with a dry towel. Before use, wipe with 75% alcohol to disinfect. Wait for the rollers to dry. Apply a small amount of lubricant to the connection between the handle and the roller. Insert the dried roller into the handle. Align with the bottom rotation axis. Align the cap with the hole and reinstall it. The installation method for other handles is the same.